Morning, morning, morning. Hello everyone. So, yeah, continue working on the enemy stuff, and I think I'm not sure I mentioned, but yeah, at least let's take a look what we have now. So, actually, the enemy now have two modes. Not like two modes, but some modes. So, for example, he's in a chase. So right now it's the this is the chase state. So when the enemy trying to reach the player as fast as he can. So let's take a look. So here he is. I have basically few collisions here. So one, it's the basically player enemy collision, like default one, which is used for movements and stuff. This one is for tracking the enemy. It's the player tracking the player. So it's like player detection area. It's only mask only on player, and this one is a player attack area. Let's rename it. So this area used to switch the game to the fight mode. And that's what I wanted to mention. So the game will have a fight mode, which will be a completely different mode. It should be quite similar of the way how the game switch modes in like JRPG. Note the fight. I mean, this is not a JRPG, but the way the game works, like when you reach the enemy and you, like, I don't know, started the fight, then the game will slightly change. The camera will be slightly different. It still will be the same level, but it will be a fight mode. And yeah, so in the fight mode it will be a lot of different stuff. So what else I wanted to do is actually I need to move. I think I need to move stick. So right now the stick is attached to remote transform in hand. Yeah, and I think it should be clear now, and let's assign it here. And it should be on a back. Oh yeah, it's why are you so small? Okay, let's fix. Oh wait, is it bag? Yeah. Shall we have two and two here? No, so small. I think it could be even three, I think. Yeah, and the position will be a bit different. I like this. Oh, Tony Bold, thanks for follow, Tony. Welcome to my empty stream. So yeah, we will leave it here, and then I think we need to turn off the attack. But yeah, let's work on the player later. I still need to do a lot of general stuff like game manager and stuff like that. So yeah, what I was planning to do, so because this switch in game to the fight mode, it's actually, I don't know, here is some drawing that I have on the logic and stuff. So this is I don't know if it's right. This is how I feel it should be. Maybe it's not updated yet. I spent like that 1 minute on drawing this. So this is like game manager. This is, I don't know, the main the main controller or the main script that will be responsible for game, like start game, pause game, like draw some UI, and that's all. So yeah, and as we can see, it managed the UI, which is, it should be like, it's not UI, it will be UI controller, and then here it will be another one, like just a UI stuff. So, but yeah, let me. Here is, it will be like gameplay controller, a bit lower. So this is responsible only for level. So yeah, like level, enemies, some bosses, some and this is where the mode will be changing, like from the normal to the fight mode. I don't know what's normal and how to call it, but yeah, explore mode, or from explore to fight mode. And as I understand, like we have this straight talking, like from the object on the top. Oh, what the hell? What the hell was that? Okay, I think I need to reinstall my Windows just a few times to make sure it's properly work, because okay, yeah, Paint, are you alright? So about this, like, if enemy need to talk to the gameplay controller, it should use events. Wait, what? Why are you not drawing? The hell? Okay. So this should be talking by events. And the same was player. It also should talk with events. So input. I'm not sure about the input. Like, should it be separated input controller that will be talking to the UI and to the gameplay as well. So for now, I planning, like, we have input map with UI prefix. This one will be responsible only for UI. Like this. All other UI inputs will be directed here. So basically it's a separated input map. One for UI, one for gameplay. Not sure how it should be better. So loading and ending scene is also will be here in game manager, and the gameplay is well, yeah, I mean, let's leave it as is. I'm not sure what the proper I don't know, I don't want to say infrastructure but architecture of the code should be, but I think maybe gameplay and yeah, so it's not like just enemies, there will be like different other controllers, like I don't know if it will be a boss, and the boss will have like a I don't know, some enemy followers, like with a lower rank and less HP. So I think it would be separate controller for them only, but its soul will be located here and called from gameplay controller. Maybe in this case I should create gameplay controller should be separated by scene, basically by level. But what will be here then in gameplay controller if it will be separated by scenes? I don't know, like, I don't know. I mean, I could use a configuration, which is I will be just adding this script everywhere for each scene, the same as the game manager. But still, it's quite interesting. Okay, let's just then create a structure of the script. So I have this gamma manager. What the hell? Gamma game manager. Why you gamma manager here? Game manager, yeah. Okay, let's delete it and then. Well, actually. Okay, need to remove my drawing tablet. Keyboard. Okay, game manager. We have a script. But I don't really like, should it be here maybe? Maybe this world should be actually a game manager. So we will have a proper structure for the code. But yeah, let's just add child, and the child will be node. Oh well. Now I think, like, if we will instantiate it on every scene, we can have it. They can have the same structure. Like, we have a game manager right here. Or yeah, it is hard because I mean, I don't want to add it to the same stuff all the time. UI control. Okay, Node 2D. I need Node 2D. Node 2D, Node 2D. But I think the UI should be separated. Should you have a canvas there, and then there you will have a... Okay, Node 2D is fine. We can always change it. UI controller, and then another Node 2D gameplay controller. All this node will have a script, so let's add one. Gameplay controller, yeah, components generic, yeah, that's fine. And the UI, yeah, UI controller as well. Wait, what? Oh, fucking hell. Okay, we have UI controller, gameplay controller, and we have a scene with all this object. That's fine. So, okay, then now we need to move whole management of this scene to the gameplay controller. And that's the interesting part. Like, should I, in this case, should I move all this under gameplay controller, or should I leave it here? I think I can leave it just as is. So we have this scene. Have a camera. So yeah, I mean, okay, let's think from the fight mode perspective. Like what we need to do. We need to switch the camera. We need to switch the camera from the one to another. Because this camera, we can actually change the way this like main camera works. But I think it's I don't want to actually do that. It's easier to have two cameras that I will be switching one from another. So yeah. Okay, let's export var, and that's the problem. Like, yeah, this is me googling some stuff. Okay, so how to switch camera? So this is camera. Can I assign object like export var node to D or something like that? Wait, why it's fucking hell, I don't like it. Like it's tells me it's the I don't know what script is opened right now. It tells me okay, it's game manager. What? Or gameplay controller. I need only gameplay controller. Okay, so let's Node to D. Main camera. I don't know. Okay, Godot export var camera node. Export variable of camera node. Yeah, like how to even use that. Export camera var target. Okay, and target camera. So I shouldn't assign anything. Export camera to the main camera like this. Is it fine? The export hint isn't. Okay, var. Yeah, I forgot that. Oh, what the fuck is that? You still don't like it. Why? Camera. Okay. Okay, export node path. You can't do something like that. You need to use node path. How should I do that? Export node path? Where? Jesus Christ, that's... Okay, export... Node, just node. Did you just script export? Texture. So take a resource type to use as a hint. Wait, so what's the problem with that? The export hint isn't a resource type. Oh, because the camera it's not a resource, yeah. But it could be a node path. Yeah, I see. Okay, so in this case, and this is ask a camera, but camera 2D. Oh, okay, node path. So yeah, and in this case I will be like set up in this stuff. Main camera. Expert. Okay, node path. Or fight camera. Okay, let's have it. Camera 2D. Okay, this is where is the main camera though? Oh, come on, I hope you don't become broken. Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, the camera is still here. Okay, and in this case, I need to I need to track the change of this state. So for example, in the enemy, I should create an event. Yeah, Godot, create custom event, because I don't really remember how to do that. Let's try to create. Okay, yes, signals, not events. Signals. Okay, so signal name health deleted. Oh shit, that's... and then... Okay, signal. Then each enemy can send a signal. Fight mode requested. Fight mode request. Okay, fight mode request, yeah, like this. And then we just need how to send it. Emit. And then I can send the parameters as well. Well, I don't really need the parameters right now, but hold on. But right here, I think we can... Oh, no. Oh, that's the bad stuff. I don't like it. Because in this case, I need to manually set up this so each enemy can send me the signal. And maybe in this case I need another layer. To have another layer between gameplay, I should have enemy controller that will be responsible for handling those events, but in this case it will be just proxy and stuff. but yeah, still. Okay, at least I have like one enemy for now. Script. Yeah, fight mode requested. Okay, yeah. It wants to add it on the player script, but I don't want to have it on the player and not on a scene. It should be on a gameplay controller. Connect right here. Yeah, and in this case, we just need to switch the camera. And this is where it goes. Okay, so if camera is current, then clear current true. Or what? Set current. Not what? The hell is that? Making one camera currently automatically clears the current one. The problem with your first block that you can't have no current camera. The first line is trying to set camera 1 to current false without current or clear current is the way to go. Okay, make current. Make current. Okay, but dude, maybe I just need GT script load node from node path. I mean, this is how I think it should be. Okay, but yeah, whatever. How to use that? Get node. Okay, I get it. Okay, then we have this already var main camera path, and already var will be main camera, be node cat node main camera path, and here already var fight camera will be node get node white camera path. I think I need to add some validations here. Okay, I don't like it. Non-static function can be only called from an instance. What the hell? What are you talking about? What? Oh, should I just call get node without node? Are you sure? Yeah, okay. In this case, I need to verify that all is still set. Yeah, of course it's not. Of course it's not. Yeah, and then I just if main camera is current, what? Ah, yeah, of course, sorry. Fight camera, make current. Oh, just like this. I don't think I have the signal anymore For some reason there is no link right here. So I think I need to recreate it one more time. So let's go to the... oh no. Oh well, why not? Okay, no. Village. No, it says it connected. Okay. Let's then have print changing camera. Oh, Daniel. Hello. No. Nook 7C9. How to read that? Hello, guys. I mean, Daniel is fine. But Nook NOC, just knock works. Okay, cool. Yeah, good. Trying to create some magic in GDScript to switch the cameras. Not sure it will work. Because I'm not that familiar with Godot. I still trying to learn, but yeah, let's test it. Fight mode starts here. Okay, enough. Oh yeah, I forgot to send the emit the signal. What? Fight their boat? Robot 101? Have no idea what are you talking about, guys. Okay, so where I fight mode here. So here I need to fight. I should have a fight mode request. Emit? Is this how it works? Isn't declared. Okay, so I need to declare somewhere. I need to Godot send signal. Don't worry about. Yeah, so yeah, I trying to add some logic with enemies. So this is let me show you real quickly. So this is the game I've been working on. Hope you see it. So it's like action platformer, something like that. Okay, and this dude now in fight mode. So I have only some camera movements and the player controller, but now I need to go to the, I don't know, go deep to set up some UI controller, game management script, like gameplay controller who will be responsible for this enemy stuff. And now I'm trying to do so when my player will try to fight with an enemy, it should switch to the fight mode. So this is yeah, Limbo. Well, it's one of my references, Limbo and the Inside, but a bit different, but still, yeah. So, and in this case, it should switch to the fight mode, and this fight mode will have a different camera stop. So that's what I'm working. I created some empty script like game manager, UI controller, and gameplay controller. I'm not sure how to place them into the scene, because they should be in every scene. So I place it here for now. I already know that that's a bad idea because my gameplay controller will receive signals from objects from here. So I think that's not something that should be like this. So yeah, but I still just trying to test it. So we'll see how it works. I still need another layer of. Are you aware about the singletons? Well, I know about singletons in general, but I have no idea how they work in the Godot. I think that's something I need to read. At least like I should have one game manager, and that's all. Godot. Okay, could you please send me some link on the I don't know, documentation, or take a look at the project config screen. Okay, project. You mean this one? Okay, application, physics, GD script, compression. Oh, autoload. Yeah, I see that. And it's empty. Is it like... Okay, name, path, global... What is this? Okay, I need to Google this. I believe this is what you want. Okay. Oh, okay, I see singletons and autoload immediately. It's possible to address some. Yeah. All right. This means that any node can access a singleton. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. Huh. No, you're wrong. I understand that. Will always be loaded. Okay, yeah, that's totally makes sense. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, that's really what I need. I still now think like, okay, it have root global. It's will. Oh, I see. Let's not be remote using free, quite free. Yeah. Damn, cool. Thank you. Thank you. I will try to move that stuff to the singleton. But I just wanna have some test. How to send these fucking signals? Come on. No. Yeah, whatever. Okay, emit signal. I see. So here I should emit signal and then, yeah, fight mode requested. Okay, cool. Let's have a test. So when the dude will come to me, it should switch the camera. Oh yeah, nice. I see nothing, but it works. Cool. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, I see. It's changing the camera every frame. That's bad. That's bad. But it's better than nothing. So let's. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's changed it only once because it checks only if the main camera is current. Okay, I need to check where. Oh yeah, I see. There is my fight camera. So interesting thing about this camera. I need to have it so the player and the enemy will be into one frame together. And I think this camera will also have a area that will be blocking the player to go like through it. So it should be in the camera. Oh my god, I think now I need to have a separate script for the fight camera that should receive transform position of the player and of the enemy, and then calculate the middle of them and lock camera there. Holy shit. Okay, I mean, what else can I do? Save branches scene, components, generic. No, that's. Wait a second. Okay, scene object, generic, scene object, shadow zones, environmental. No, scene object. It's related to. Generic. Okay, let's have it generic. And then let's have a fight camera script. Jesus Christ, that's too many scripts. Oh, thanks for follow, Knock. Yeah, thanks for follow. By the way, I have a Discord server, and okay, yeah, I close it. Sorry. There is a Discord. Too many scripts is called game dev, I think. Really? Where? It's only game manager and gameplay. That's all. Oh, I see. I didn't get it at first. Too many scripts is called game dev, I think. Yeah, that's... yeah, definitely. Yeah. Because, I mean, at the very beginning I had only one script and it's player movement and that's all, and basically the whole game is just works. But yeah, now it's... yeah, and it will be even more, and that scares me. It's scary as fuck. Okay, let's then just remove this bullshit. It switched the camera. The camera is broken, but anyway, let's test it one more time, and then yep, yeah, camera is switched. Cool, works. Okay, now let's remove this bullshit from the scene and add it to autoload. Path. Okay, open a path, component, generic. Okay, so first of all, it's a game manager. Game manager, add Game Manager, enable, yep. Next one is a UI controller. Add, cool. And the last one is a gameplay controller. Cool, okay. Okay, I saw. Just to wait, yeah. Is it still connected? No. So in this case, this should be called from somewhere. And in this case, somewhere, it should be enemy. So here I will have a node 2D. This will be enemies. And the enemy should be right fucking here. How long have you been working on this, by the way? So, it's actually a long story. I started working on it like somewhere before the new year, last new year, but I was working it in Unity. And yeah, I've been working on it until February, but then the war in Ukraine started, and I'm from Ukraine originally, but I no longer live there. But I mean, I moved like a long time ago, and it was a bit hard to actually continue working on the game. And I started back like couple of months ago, I think like 2 months ago, and I started switching to the Godot. So basically I remake the whole Unity stuff into Godot, and it looks like right now it looks better than it was in the Unity. So I think like this version is taking. I spent on it I don't know, almost 2 months, I guess, something like that. But I mean, the design, there's some for example, all this environment was drawn before, like almost a year ago, I would say. So I mean, some stuff was changed, a lot of stuff was changed actually. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And I usually I work like 1 hour per day, because like in the morning before regular work. So yeah. О, привіт. Як бачиш? Well, yeah, I think that's a good progress. Так, Кем Гоблін. Да, я почав працювати над різними скриптами, типу Game Management скрипти. Ось тут мені thank Knock for helping me with that. Тому що я не шарив, що таке сінглтони в Годоті, а зараз пробую, ну це їх тільки двинув сюди. У мене є тепер ось ворог. І навіть режим зміни камери, який поки що не працює, але він працював. Да, не працює. Okay, so in this case, like when I attached this the singleton scripts, how to do that? How to, like, can it receive? So gameplay, yeah, right here, node, and now I need to send connect. Okay, I see it's not connected anymore. And this is what I can connect it to the singleton, so I can only call some function from the singleton. No. Okay. Fight mode enable. Okay. Enable fight mode. Enable fight mode, and in this case I will just call it then. Or as I said, I need to have this enemy. You might have to connect signals at runtime via code. Oh, yeah, I see. I just, now I think like how to do that better. I still think I need to have this enemy script. Enemy controller script, yeah. Wait a second. And then well, and if it's like a singleton, then I just can call it. I don't need to use signals. I mean, it's probably better to use signals because it's something independent. I mean, the singleton is something independent, and this will just create like dependency stuff. But connect my signal, my singleton on my signal. Yeah, but that's also dependency stuff. Fucking hell. Yeah, so what I think, like, okay, here we have enemies. Oh fuck, I drawing really bad without my tablet. And here we have a singleton, which is this super cool gameplay controller. And I mean, if I will have 100 enemies on the level, every single enemy will try to send a message to this like gameplay controller, and that shouldn't be like that. I think it should be the one layer should be here, and all these enemies should send it this request right here, and only after it should call. So yeah, let's call it enemy controller. I think that's how it should be. What do you think? The number of script is increasing again. Yeah. At least until you know for sure you want something different. Really depends, but doing the easier thing is usually the better choice in my experience. I mean, it's not the easier. It's not like easier. Or I mean, for example, why I think the enemy controller should be responsible for this. In case of when, for example, we have a situation like fight mode will be enabled when the enemy, when the player is triggered with this collision. And in this case, the first enemy will be trigger the fight mode, and it send the request straight to the gameplay control, and gameplay control will switch it to the, I don't know, to the fight mode, change the camera and stuff like that. But in the same time, all other enemies will be still walking all around, and while you're fighting with one enemy, another one could just come to the scene and trigger another fight mode. So in this case, when the fight mode is triggered with one enemy, I think all other enemies should be stopped or disabled or something like that, so they would not trigger any other stuff. I think that makes sense. Yeah, this is totally makes sense. Enemies, controller. More controllers, more. We need more controllers. Let's leave the basic stuff, I guess. So, first of all, fight mode requested. I think I will change that to the fight mode player. Fight triggered, player fight triggered. Yeah, like this, and then we have this enemy stuff, and the enemy, I mean, in general, I would need to still so enemy controller will have a control over all enemies on the level, so at least it will have like an array with all enemies, and I will be able to disable some of them, and можливо. Fuck, не знаю. It's all a bit hard. Fuck. I'm stuck. My brain is stuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, and it's another problem that I almost run out of my time. So I will spend some time on thinking on this, how to do that better. Maybe it's I just trying to over-engineering it, and that's I guess my problem, because I'm software developer and sometimes yeah. Maybe sometimes it's just the right thing just to make it easier. Oh God. Okay, I will think about that. I will think about your idea, guys, but thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I think that's... I'm software developer, excellent. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm not familiar with JavaScript. It's totally new stuff for me, and how old stuff works in Godot as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for being here, and I will have another stream tomorrow, so hope to see you there, and thank you for your time, And yeah, see you.